Hello student, here we discuss about electrophilic substitution reaction. In short, I will say ESR between benzene as well as haloarine. That is, here I took chlorobenzene. So chlorobenzene and ethyl chloride, can we compare? No, because it is going electrophilic substitution and ethyl chloride go nucleophilic. Okay, so this is not applicable here. Nucleophilic substitution reaction, NSR I will say. Okay, NSR. So it will not undergo electrophilic substitution. But chlorobenzene, yes, it undergoes electrophilic substitution. ESR is possible here, and here NSR is possible in ethyl chloride. But chlorobenzene, in both of them, ESR is possible. ESR is possible. Now we have to compare the reactivity speed. This is more reactive. Benzene is more reactive as compared to chlorobenzene. Why it is so? We discussed this. Benzene involves electrophilic substitution. Electron-rich benzene ring is there. It will attract electrophile. Electrophile is electron deficient, so it will get attracted by the benzene ring which is electron rich. So electrophilic substitution reaction takes place fast over here. Electrophile substitute the hydrogen atom of the benzene ring. Okay, now in chlorobenzene there are two effects are operating: minus I effect due to highly electronegative chlorine atom, and plus R effect because it is having lone pair of electron, and so yeah, this is direct plus R effect direct this ortho and para directing towards benzene ring. So this chlorobenzene is ortho and para directing, but minus I effect deactivate the ring. Why it is so? Because it is more electronegative, attracts shared pair of electron towards itself. Electronegativity compare 3.16 for chlorine, and carbon is having 2.5. So this is more electronegative, so it will pull the electron towards itself. Pulling, and these are opposing effect operating here. So pulling of electron takes place, lone pair of electron is donated to the ring. So this is simultaneously going on. That is why benzene ring is deactivated, and it is not that much prefer for electrophilic substitution reaction as compared to benzene. Okay, so this will deactivate the ring towards the electrophilic attack. Which will deactivate the ring towards electrophilic attack? Minus I effect. Minus I effect deactivate the benzene ring of chlorobenzene for the electrophilic attack. So it is less reactive as compared to benzene ring. Benzene ring has no such type of group present over here, so it will be electron rich throughout, and it will don't easily accept electrophile. Okay, so electrophile is electron deficient species. It will get attracted towards the benzene ring because it is electron rich. So benzene is more reactive towards electrophilic substitution than